Wat hier gebeur bly hier. Die ligte is laag, die vloer is warm. Die stad raak stil in hierdie klank. Geen name, geen vrae vanaand, net ritme wat jou hande bind. Jy dra te veel op jou skouers saam. Los dit hier, dis veilig nou. Hier tel die oomblik hier en nou. Nie môre nie, nie gister hou. Kyk om jou, voel die vibe, hier leef ons sonder tyd. Kom en goeie tyd saam my. Los jou foon, wees net vry. Geen stories, geen bewyse, net harte wat die beat laat reis. Kom dans, drink, vergeet die res. Wat hier gebeur, bly hier vas. As die son weer op jou skyn, sal net die gevoel oorbly. Sweet en lig en monotoon. Elke siel die weet hier reël. Respek hou hierdie plek heel. Jy hoef niks te bewys vanaand, net beweeg soos jy verstaan. As die wêreld jou moeg gemaak het, laat die beat dit stadig vat. Hande op, oë toe, laat die klank jou lei hierin. Geen oordele, geen geras, net hierdie oomblik, net vir ons. Staan alleen, onthou hoe vry jy was hier binne. Wat jy gevoel het, bly by jou. Wat hier gebeur het, bly hier nou.
This town's got one rule. Respect goes a long way. One main road, one red light. Everybody knows your name by night. Front porch talk and Friday cheers. Church bells ring through the years. We wave when we pass, we lend a hand. You break down, we help you stand. But there's a line we don't erase. Cross it once, you'll know your place. We don't look for trouble here, but trouble knows when we appear. You're welcome here, come have a drink. Dance all night, say what you think. But if you come in acting wild, disrespecting hearts and pride, better mind your manners when you come around. This is a tight-knit, no-nonsense town. We're easy living, but don't mistake kindness for something you can break. strangers tied by name. You mess with one, it's all the same. We lit the music, cool the heat, boots on dirt, rhythm in our feet. You're free to stay, you're free to roam. Just don't forget whose road you're on. Lights low, boost tap slow, baseline heavy, warning low. Smile first, but hear us clear. Respect lives strong around here. Leave a friend. That's how stories start and end. But cross the line, don't be surprised. Small towns don't forget their lines.